Okay guys, so in the first part of the lecture I mentioned about the basic trigonometric functions, and in the second part of this lecture I mentioned about the secondary trigonometric functions. So I have covered two formats, or the two types of identities of the 11 types of identities I will be discussed in this series of lectures. So I will talk about the third and the fourth type of identities in this lecture, and the third identity are the Pythagorean identities, and the fourth type of identities are the cofunction identities. So first of all I will mention what is meant by a Pythagorean identity and what are the Pythagorean identities. So to understand what is meant by a Pythagorean identity, I will recall what is meant by the Pythagoras theorem. So that's simple. Alright, Pythagoras theorem, you may already know by now. From right angle, you take this angle as theta. And this is A and this is B and this is C. You know that A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Now C is not equal to 0. What will happen if we divide the whole equation by C squared? So this will become A squared divided by C squared, plus this will become B squared divided by C squared, and this will become 1. So A squared divided by C squared plus B squared divided by C squared is equal to 1. So what that means is actually A divided by C whole squared plus B divided by C whole squared is actually equal to 1. So you know that if this angle is theta, you know that A divided by B is A divided by C is actually the cos angle, and B divided by C is actually the sine angle. So whatever here is that A divided by C squared plus B divided by C squared equals 1 becomes sine theta squared plus cos theta squared equals 1. So that's sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So this is the first trigonometric Pythagorean identity that I will be discussing with you, and the other two types of Pythagorean identities can be derived from this one. So sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. Now you know that if theta is actually not equal to 0, because theta is an angle between the hypotenuse and some side. So I have taken the adjacent side here as A and the opposite side as B. So sin theta equals B divided by C and cos theta equals A divided by C. So if theta is not equal to 0, sin theta is not equal to 0. If sin theta is not equal to 0, sin square theta is not equal to 0. So if sin square theta is not equal to 0, I can divide the whole thing by sin square. So I'll divide the whole thing. I'll first write the equation again. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. And I'll divide the whole equation by sin squared theta. So sin squared theta divided by sin squared theta is 1, plus cos squared theta divided by sin squared theta is cos theta divided by sin theta whole squared. Now you know that cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. So cos theta divided by sin theta whole squared is equal to cot theta whole squared, which is equal to cot squared theta. And 1 upon sin squared theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta whole squared. Now you know that from the reciprocal identities, 1 upon sin theta is equal to the cosecant of an angle, cosec theta. So 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta, 1 upon sin theta squared is equal to cosec theta squared or cosec squared theta. So 1 upon 1 plus cot squared theta is actually equal to cosec squared theta. Similarly, if you divide this equation by cos squared theta, you know that sin squared theta divided by cos squared theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta whole thing squared. You know by the uh, quotient identities. Sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So sin square theta divided by cos square theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta whole thing square. So that is tan theta whole thing square or tan square theta. So sin square theta divided by cos square theta is equal to tan square theta. Cos square theta divided by cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 upon cos square theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta whole thing squared. 1 upon cos theta whole thing squared. You know that from reciprocal identities, 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. So 1 upon cos theta whole thing squared is equal to sec square theta. So there are the three types of Pythagorean identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, and tan square theta plus 1 over 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So those are the three types of Pythagorean identities, and the next type of identities are the co-function identities, which I will describe in the next lecture.